Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are going to start revision for final term. Today we discuss about the isotopes. That what are the isotopes, which is mentioned in chapter number 2, and also this topic is present in your notes from questions 11, 12, 13, 14 to 15. So, what are the isotopes? These are the atoms of the same element which have the same atomic number but different mass number. What are the isotopes? Isotopes means that having the elements having the same atomic number but different mass number. So here the question arises that what is atomic number and what is the mass number. Atomic number means that the number of electrons or protons in an atom, or mass number means that the sum of the proton and the neutron. So atomic number concerned with the number of electrons and protons, and the mass number concerned the number of protons and neutrons. Second definition is these are the atoms of the same element which have the same number of protons and electrons but different number of the neutrons. So, isotopes are the atoms having the same number of protons and electrons, means that they have the same atomic number but different number of neutrons. Different number of neutrons means that they have the different mass number. So, you can see on your screen that it is the structure of structure of an atom, and having the nucleus. Central portion is known as a nucleus containing the protons and the neutrons, and electrons revolve around the nucleus. Now, what is the atomic number and what is the mass number? Atomic number means that the number of protons or electrons. The number of protons and electrons are always equal in an atom because they both cancel the effect of each other, and that's why we can say that atom is a neutral particle. Then mass number, or also we can say that atomic mass means the number of protons or electrons, or also we can say that the sum of the protons and the neutrons is known as a atomic mass. The main points about the isotopes: the sum of the protons and the neutrons present in the nucleus is called the mass number. The sum of the addition of the protons and the neutrons which is present in the nucleus of an atom is known as a mass number. The number of protons and electrons is called the atomic number. Then isotopes have the same chemical properties due to the same number of protons and electrons. When an atom having the same number of electrons or protons, so they have the same chemical properties which are discussed in previous lectures, but different physical properties due to the different number of the neutrons. But concern is about the mass number. Differences is about the mass number, because in mass number we have the protons and the neutrons. So electrons and protons are same in isotopes, but the differences is about the number of neutrons, but with different physical property due to the different number of neutrons. So chemical properties are same because of the same number of proton and electron, but physical properties are different because of the different number of neutrons. Then we have the isotope like lithium 678. These are the three isotopes of the lithium having the same atomic number but different mass number. When you hear about isotopes, so you can know about the isotopes mean the same atomic number but different mass number. So you can see that the 678, these values are written in the superscript, and the 333 is written in the subscript. So having the same atomic number but different mass number. Atomic number means that the lithium have 3 atomic number, in the second lithium also have 3 atomic number, third lithium also have the 3 atomic number, but difference is the number of the neutrons, or also we can say that the mass number in first lithium 678. If you can see on your screen the structure of the lithium, so in the first lithium 6 having 3 protons and 3 neutrons and also 3 protons, but in the second case lithium 7 also having the 3 electrons, 3 protons, but the difference is the number of neutrons. Here the number of neutron is 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now lithium 8 having the Same atomic number means number of electrons and protons are same, but difference is about the number of neutrons. Here the number of neutrons are 1 2 3 4 5. 5 neutrons and 3 protons is equal to 8. Then in the second, the lithium 7 having the 3 protons and 4 neutrons. 3 plus 7 is equal to 4. And in the first one, lithium 6 having 3 protons and 3 neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So what are the isotopes having the same atomic number but different mass number? Now the properties having the isotopes having the same chemical properties but different physical properties. Same chemical properties because of having the same number of electrons and protons, and different physical properties because of the different number of the neutrons. Then what are the physical properties? Physical properties means the density, melting point, boiling point. Physical properties depend upon the number of neutron, which is different in different isotopes. Now you can see on your screen that the physical properties of the isotopes having the water H2O and deuterium D2O means the heavy water. So these two compounds having the different number of isotope elements, so they have this different physical properties. Molecular mass are different, densities are different, melting point and the boiling point. Then the chemical properties depends upon the number of electrons in the outermost shell, and it is the isotopes. Now examples of the isotopes, like in this book we discuss the hydrogen, carbon, chlorine and the uranium. So the hydrogen have three isotopes. The first one is the protium H1, deuterium D or D2 and tritium T or H3. Then you can see on your screen that it's the protium, deuterium and tritium. We discuss here the number of neutrons, number of electrons, number of protons and also their percentage abundance. So these are the three isotopes of the hydrogen having the same atomic number but different mass number. Protium hydrogen 1, deuterium hydrogen 2 and tritium hydrogen 3. These are the mass numbers and atomic numbers are same. Then protium, we discuss in detail the protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium means it is the most abundant isotope of the hydrogen. It is plenty in nature with an abundance 99.98%. It is found in the nature in the atmosphere. Here the H1 means that they have the atomic number 1. H11 means H11, you can see protium 1 1. So in this protium atomic number is 1, also the mass number is 1, number of proton is 1, number of electron is 1, and here the number of neutron is 0. You can see on your screen that it's the H11 means that having the atomic number 1, mass number 1 means that the atomic number represents the number of electron or proton. So here the 1 electron and 1 proton, but mass number represent the sum of the proton and the neutron. But here you can see that in this screen that in the nucleus just proton is present, so that's why its mass number is 1. Here just proton is present, neutron is absent, means neutron is 0. So we can say that the protium have atomic number 1, mass number 1, number of electron 1, number of proton 1 and number of neutron is equal to 0. Now the deuterium or the heavy hydrogen, deuterium is also known as a heavy hydrogen. Its percentage abundance is 0.015%, atomic number 1, mass number 2, number of protons 1, number of neutron 1, number of electrons 1. You can see in all isotopes having the same proton and same electron because they have the same atomic number, but the difference is about the number of neutrons because number of neutrons concern the mass number. So you can see on your screen the deuterium H2. H2 means that they have the two, like you can see that you will screen that 1 electron and 1 proton, it's the atomic number, but the mass number means that the sum of the protons and the neutrons, and you can see on your screen that the sum of the mass number means 1 proton and 1 neutron is equal to 2. So hydrogen 2 having the 2 mass number. Like the tritium, it is rarely found in nature. Atomic number 1, mass number 3, number of proton 1, number of electron 1. Here the number of neutron is equal to 2. You can see on your screen that the electrons revolve around the nucleus. One electron and one proton is present. So it's follow the atomic number. Now concern is about the mass number. One proton and two neutrons. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So they're having the 3 atom mass number, and the neutrons having the 2, 1 and 2, you can see. Then isotopes of carbon, it is the first member of the fourth group. There are 3 isotopes of carbon: carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 15, sorry, carbon 14. We can previously discuss the 3 isotopes of carbon: hydrogen, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, and hydrogen 3, protium, deuterium, and tritium. Now we discuss the carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. All isotopes have 6 protons in their nuclei and 6 electrons in their orbit because they have the 6 atomic number. Now carbon 12, carbon 12 means that they are naturally abundant, 98.98%, atomic number 6, mass number 12, number of protons 6, number of electrons 6, number of neutron 6. You can see on your screen that it's the carbon 12 having the 6 proton and the 6 neutron which is present in the nucleus. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So carbon 12 having this 12 atomic number and having the 6 electrons. 6 electrons means that the 2 electrons is 2 electrons can accommodate in the first K shell, and 4 electrons can accommodate in the second L shell. So carbon 13, natural abundance 1.109%, atomic number 6, mass number 13, number of protons 6, number of electrons 6, and the difference is about the number of neutrons. So you can see that the 6 electrons is present, 6 proton is present, and the number of neutron is equal to 7. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Then carbon 14, natural abundance 1 part per trillion, ppt, atomic number 6, atomic mass 14, number of proton 6, number of neutron 8, number of electron 6. You can see on your screen that it's 6 protons and 6 electrons, but it's follow the atomic number. But in the case of atomic mass, 6 protons and 8 neutrons. 6 proton and 6 and plus 8 is equal to 14. Then we discuss the isotopes of chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. It is the second member of the 7th group. There are 2 isotopes of chlorine. 2 isotopes of chlorine, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Chlorine 35 having the same atomic number 17, atomic mass 35, number of electrons 17, number of protons 17. Difference is about the number of neutrons 18, and percentage abundance 75.53. You can see that 17 proton and 18 neutrons. 17 plus 18 is equal to 35. So its chlorine atomic number is 35, and also 17 electrons are present. Now the chlorine 37, atomic number is 17, atomic mass is 37, number of electrons 17, number of protons 17, number of neutrons is equal to 20, percentage abundance 24.47 percentage. You can see on your screen that the proton 17 and neutron 20, and also 17 electrons are present, and 17 plus 20 is equal to 37. So chlorine having the atomic number